Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic is derivative of a function. Derivative of a function We solve the derivative using first principle method. By using first principle method, we solve the derivative f of x is equal to sec x. And formula for solving the derivative, that is f dash x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is the formula for solving the first principle method, very important formula. With the help of this formula you can solve this question. F dash x limit h approaches to 0 sec x plus h minus sec x divided by h. In this step just replace x by x plus h, correct? Simple question. Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h. Now you know that the formula for sec x, that is 1 by cos x. In place of sec you can write 1 upon cos x plus h minus, and what is the value of sec x? Sec x, you know, 1 by cos x, correct? Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h. Take LCM of this, that is cos x plus h. You know that cos x and cos x plus h divided by cos x plus h, then cos x and cos x multiplied by 1 cos x minus, same procedure, cos x plus h here, and here we apply the formula cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y, very important formula. Think it. Can you think in your brain? This is the formula, very important formula. Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y formula, minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2, correct? Apply this formula here. Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h. When we apply this formula, minus 2 sin, this is x and this is y, x plus h by 2 and sin x minus h by 2 divided by cos x and cos x plus h. Clear? Now simplify, further simplification is required. Limit h approaches to 0 1 by h minus 2 x plus x, that is 2x, sin 2x plus h by 2, x to x cancel, here sin of minus h by 2 divided by cos x plus h, correct? Clear? You know about the identity of limit, very important property, you know very well. Limit h approaches to 0 sin h by h is equal to 1. Apply this property here. You know that limit h approaches to 0, 1 by h minus 2 sine, you know that 2x by x, that is x plus h by 2. Now can you tell me sine minus x, sine of minus x, formula sine of minus x, sine of minus x formula, that is minus sine x, that is minus sine x. Apply this formula here. You can write sine h by 2 and this divided by cos x plus h. Clear? And further limit h approaches to 0, you know that minus into this minus plus 2 sine x plus h by 2 into sine h by 2 divided by h, this h shifted to here, that is cos x plus h and cos x. When we apply this limit here, then multiply and divide by 2, because you know that sine x by x, and this cancel. Limit h approaches to 0, sine x plus h by 2 upon cos x plus h, cos x, and here limit h by 2 approaches to 0, sine h by 2 upon sine h by 2. Sine x by x formula you know, that is 1. This is equal to 1. So apply here direct limit, direct method. Put h is equal to 0 here, put h is equal to 0. It means sin x. When you put h is equal to 0, here cos x into 1 by cos. And sin by cos formula, sin by cos is formula you know very well, tan x into sec x. This is the answer of this question. Therefore you can say the derivative of the function sec x, that is sec x tan x. So you can prove this question by using first principle method. This is called first principle method. Okay, now we solve next question. Find the derivative. Next question is find the derivative of f of x is equal to 1 by x square. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to 1 by x square using first principle method. The name of first principle method, there are 4 methods, that is ab initio method, by delta method, by definition method, by first principle method. The same formula we apply here. F dash x limit h approaches to 0, f of x plus h, it means you can say 1 by x plus h whole square minus f of x, you know, 1 by x square. Correct? Therefore limit h approaches to 0, 1 by h, take LCM, x plus h whole square, x square. When you take LCM, it become x square minus x plus h whole square. Limit h approaches to 0, 1 by h. When you simplify the numerator, x square minus h square minus 2xh divided by x plus h whole square x square, correct? Further simplification, x square to x square cancel. Now can you take common? Can you take common h? Take common h from the numerator. Therefore minus h minus 2x divided by x plus h whole square, that is x square. H to h cancel. At the end of every question apply direct method. Direct method mean put h is equal to 0. Put h is equal to 0. So minus 2x upon, when you put h is equal to 0 here, so x square into x square, that is x to the power 4. Further simplify, minus 2 by x cube. Clear? This is the solution of this question. Okay students, thank you.